Good morning, students. Welcome to online class 8 English grammar. In the last online live class, we learned about direct and indirect speech, and we also saw that how to change a direct speech into indirect and what changes will take place in tenses when we change direct into indirect. Today we are going to deal with the changes that takes place in pronouns when we report the speech. Somebody's speech we report, then what all changes will take place in the pronouns. Now here I have made a chart. The personal pronouns. First person pronoun is given here. In the nominative case, first person singular I, first person plural we. That is in the nominative case. Then objective case, me, us. For I, we use me in objective case. For we use us in objective case. And the possessive for I, my, and mine are there. My is possessive adjective and mine is possessive pronoun. Both are used for I. Then for we have our, ours in possessive case. Just like my and mine. Our is possessive adjective and ours is possessive pronoun. Then reflexive form for I is myself and reflexive form for we is ourselves. Then second person, nominative case you, both singular and plural you. Then possessive case, objective case again you. Possessive case is your for singular. Your is a possessive adjective. Yours is possessive pronoun. Then for singular, when you is for singular, then we use a reflexive form yourself. And you is meant for plural, then we use a reflexive form yourselves. Then third person according to the gender base and number. For males we use he. He is in the nominative case and objective case of he is him. Then possessive case his, reflexive form himself. She, nominative case for females and possessive objective form of she is her. Possessive form of she, possessive adjective her, possessive pronoun hers, and reflexive form of she is herself. Then for usually animals and non-living things we use it. It is in the nominative case and the objective form of it is it itself. Then the reflexive form of it is, possessive form of it is its. Again, reflexive form of it itself. Then the plural of a third person for he, she, it, we use plural they. They is plural in nominative case. For objective case is them. Possessive case their, possessive adjective, theirs, possessive pronoun. Then reflexive case for they, themselves. So these are the various personal pronouns, first person, second person and third person in their different cases. Nominative case, objective case, possessive case and reflexive case. So the four cases are also given and three personal pronouns. Now come to our topic. Uh, if the subject of the reporting verb, subject of the reporting verb is said, subject of the reporting verb is here third person, a name. All the names are considered as third person. And when there is first person pronoun within the inverted comma, in the inverted comma, when there is first person pronoun, when we change it into indirect, the first person pronoun will be changed in according to the person, number and gender of the subject of the reporting verb. Here Manoj is subject, it's in third person, and here in the inverted comma we have I as first person in the nominative case, then my possessive adjective, then here we have me as a objective case. So I, my and me are used here in this sentence in the inverted comma. Or I is first person singular in the nominative case. My is the possessive adjective of I, and me is the objective form of I. All are first person pronouns. Now, as I said, reporting verb said, the subject of the reporting verb is Manoj, third person pronoun. So what we have to do, when we change it into indirect speech, all these first person will be changed into third person. And here Manoj is the name of a male. Manoj is the name of a male. So we change this I into third person pronoun for male. That is, I will be changed into he, my will be changed into his, and me will be changed into him. So, okay. In an indirect speech, Manoj said that first person pronoun I changed into the person, number and gender of the third person. I changed into he, my changed into his, and me changed into him. So I is changed into he. Okay. My changed into his. My changed into his, and me changed into him. And the rules regarding the tense and all is followed here. Manoj said, I borrowed some money from my friend. That is in simple past. Simple past will be changed into past perfect. So Manoj said that he had borrowed. Past perfect means had plus third form. He had borrowed some money from, instead of my friend, his friend, for me, for him. We use this. So these are when the first person pronouns are used in direct speech, then that will be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. Here in the example, as I said, subject of the reporting verb is third person. So all the first person pronouns in the inverted comma is changed into third person pronoun. I hope it is clear to you. The rest we will learn in another section. Thank you everyone.